Amman is the capital and largest city of Jordan, located in the northwest of the country. It is a modern and cosmopolitan city that has a rich history and culture, with many archaeological sites and museums. It is one of the oldest cities of the world. Let's know some top historical places and best time to visit Amman. So please watch this video till the end. The Roman theatre in Amman is an ancient theatre that was built during the 2nd century AD, during the reign of Emperor Antoninus Pius. It is located in the heart of downtown Amman and is one of the city's most popular tourist attractions. The theatre has a seating capacity of around 6,000 people. Amman Citadel is an ancient historical site located in the heart of Amman. It is a significant archaeological site that dates back to Bronze Age and has been continuously inhabited for thousands of years. It contains numerous ancient structures, including the Temple of Hercules, the Umayyad Palace, and the Byzantine Church. The Treasury of Petra is a magnificent ancient structure located in the Nabatean city of Petra, in southern Jordan. The treasury was built by the Nabateans in the 1st century AD as a tomb for an important Nabatean king or queen. It stands over 40 meters tall. Today, the treasury is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Jordan, and it attracts visitors from all over the world. It is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Jerash is an ancient city located in northern Jordan, approximately 48 kilometers north of capital city Amman. The city is known for its well-preserved Roman ruins and is often referred to as the Temple of the East. The ruins of Jerash include a large amphitheater, a arena, temples, a marketplace. Today, Jerash is a popular tourist destination and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Aslan Castle is a 12th century fortress located in the Aslan Highlands of northern Jordan. It was built by the Muslims during the Crusades to protect against the Crusades' attacks. The castle is situated on top of a hill and offers a strategic view of the surrounding area. The castle has been used as a military stronghold throughout history. The Dead Sea is a salt lake bordered by Jordan to the east and Israel and the West Bank to the west. It is situated in the Jordan Rift Valley and is the lowest point on earth. The Dead Sea is also one of the saltiest bodies of water on the planet. Its high salt and mineral content are believed to have healing properties for skin and joint conditions. Visitors can also float effortlessly in the dense salt water due to its high density. The King Abdullah Mosque, also known as the Blue Mosque. It is one of the most recognizable landmarks in the city due to its distinctive blue dome and minaret. The mosque was completed in 1989 and can accommodate up to 7,000 worshippers at a time. The baptism site of Jesus Christ is a historical and religious site located on the east bank of the Jordan River. This site is believed to be the location where John the Baptist baptized Jesus Christ and it is an important site for Christians around the world. In 1996, the site was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and in 2002, it was officially recognized as the baptism site of Jesus Christ by the Vatican. The best time to visit Amman is March, April or May. These spring months bring gorgeous weather to the capital, making it a lovely place to visit in the Middle East. Please leave a comment about Amman and subscribe the channel to stay with us.